Hello, welcome to Corna Fine Art. Today I thought it would be just a perfect day to sit by the water and do some watercolor sketching. I want to do some sketching from this book that I got for the holidays called Botanical. It's a really beautifully illustrated book, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to get it. But I wanted to give you a quick look and flip through some of these pages. For you to look at just the kind of illustrations it has. It has some beautiful fungi here, and it has some information about them. It has a lot of different plants, kinds of trees. There's the ginkgo tree, very detailed, colorful. Some tree types of leaves there. It also has some flowers. Some edible plants. So a lot of different plants here, all kinds. Some of my favorite cacti and succulents. Parasitic plants. So it's a very cool book, and I'm going to be sketching from this. Right now I'm in a very tropical area, so I thought it would be perfect to sketch some of the plants from this region. So I'm going to be sketching a palmetto leaf. Palmettos are some of my favorite plants. As you probably, if you keep up with my posts on social media, I've been posting a lot of paintings that I've done from Florida, and just inspiration from the vegetation here and the different environments, rivers, lakes, springs. So the palmettos and palm trees are some of the most outstanding plants in the area. So here is a page on palms, and they have a palmetto leaf here, which I'll be sketching from. And I have a small sketchbook here. So it's just a small watercolor sketchbook that I also got for the holidays. I haven't done much in it, just, color swatches for my angel oak painting. I will be posting a video on that painting very soon, so stay tuned. And I did a small sketch of some mushrooms that I saw on this book as well. But we'll flip to a new page and sketch the palmetto leaf on here. So I hope that you enjoy it. Enjoy the day, the view, and enjoy some relaxing sketching with me. So I want to give a little information about the palmetto that I'm going to be sketching. This is the dwarf palmetto, and it's called Sabal minor. About 3 feet leaf and fruit. The small fan-leaved species is one of the most cold-tolerant plants. It was used as an important traditional medicine by the Hama people, who dug up the small roots to treat multiple ailments. The juice was rubbed on the eyes to alleviate soreness, while a mixture of the dry roots taken internally corrected high blood pressure and relieved kidney problems. This palm is native to the southern United States. So here's the beautiful palmetto and my sketchbook, and I'm going to be using my watercolor pens here. So we start with a light green, and pretty soon I'll be switching to a time-lapse because this usually takes me a while to do a sketch, even if it's this small. I like taking my time with the lines and also just enjoying the beautiful landscape where I am right now. I am sitting in front of downtown Tampa, Florida. So I am out here exploring an area where I used to live. So I'm just going around and drawing in the leaves, the palmetto. And as you could probably hear, there are some cars around here, so once in a while a car goes by. But the area is very relaxing still. And it also has some fruit here at the bottom. So I'm using this as reference, but I'm also trying to do just my own take on the palmetto leaf, because I don't exactly want to copy everything that I see. I do want to get the basic shape in there, but I want to make sure that I do my own. Real quick, I just wanted to show you this bird that just landed in front of me. There it is. And the beautiful downtown Tampa. Anyway, back to our well, it's getting closer. Let's see, it's gonna come all the way. Say hello. Maybe he wants to draw too. Or wants to be drawn. Yeah, that's probably it. He's probably thinking that he wants to be my model. So let's go back to our sketch here. Thank you so much for watching this video and joining me at Corona Fine Art. Here is the end result of my short sketching session. Here is the palmetto, and I think it reflects the palmettos that I see on my hikes more. I intensified the color and made it a little bit lighter because I love the way when the sun hits the palmetto leaves and creates those really beautiful bright hues of green. So that is my palmetto, my small sketchbook. So I encourage you to get outdoors and grab a small sketchbook, a pencil, whatever you have on hand, and start sketching. It's really therapeutic. It allows you to observe nature and get closer to nature. It does for me, so I strongly recommend it. And I also recommend that you stop by my website, coronafineart.com, and check out my shop. I have a lot of originals for sale. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My page is Corona Fine Art. So thank you so much, and I'll see you very soon again in my channel for another art video.